Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for the upcoming dividend from ADX, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. So what are the companies they announced and what are the companies announced for the dividend, in how much of amount, what about their historical dividend payout, these all those things we are going to look in this video, as well as what will be the current market price. These are all the things we are going to look over here. So those who are investing for dividend stock, in a sense, this will be the helpful video for respective investors. So let's see. So the first company is Agility Global PLC. For the ADX code will be Agility. If you're keeping for if you're typing in your broker application for Agility, it will come. And for Agility Global, they announced for the dividend for the X date will be on May 7th. Okay, and current stock price of respective company will be 1.230. Okay, so you will get the dividend of 0.023 per share. For the dividend you will get it this much, and current stock price will be 1.230. So if the X dividend date on May 7th, in a sense, you need to buy a stock before that, one day before. It means you need to get it for the last date of May 6th in order to eligible to get for dividend of Agility Global. And if you're looking for this historical, in a sense, they have provided for 2 times for 2024. So they are the one giving for semi-annual. It means yearly twice they will provide for the dividend. And for the second company is Sharjah Insurance Company PLC. In ADX code will be SICO, SICO. Okay, so their ex dividend date is also May 7th. So they are giving for dividend 0.050. Okay, so ex dividend date, in a sense, one day before you need to buy a stock in order to eligible to get for the dividend. And currently it's trading on stock market for 1.650. Okay, this will be on a Friday closing price. Okay, so the stock price will be 1.650, and their dividend they announced for 0.050 per share. And for the next company is Ain Ahlia Insurance Company, and for ADX code will be ALAIN, Align. Okay, and for their ex dividend date will be May 8th, and this will be the historical dividend which they have paid. If you're looking in a sense here 2024 one time, so normally they are giving for annual pay. That is what the thing which you have given over here. Payout frequency will be on annual. Okay, and for May 8 they are giving for 2 dirham. So while you are comparing with previous year, is also provided for 2 dirham only, and earlier it will be higher, 23, 2022, okay, and 2021 and all little bit higher. So currently the stock price value will be on 30. Okay, so they are giving per share will be 2 dirham for the dividend. And for the next company will be Americana Restaurants International PLC, and ADX code will be AMR, and they are announced for the dividend, and ex dividend date will be on 8. So you need to get it for the last date of May 7th for eligible to get for the dividend. If you're comparing with the previous things, in a sense, 2024 they provided that is 0.078, and 2023 they provided 0.045. This is what the historical dividend payout which is available for a respective company. And for the share price, if you're looking in a sense, 2.180. Okay, and the dividend they announced for a respective stock will be 0.056 per share. And for the next company which we are looking for, E7 Group. Okay, ADX code will be E7. If you're typing for E7, you will get it this one. And for the ex date of respective company will be May 8. Okay, and how much they are providing for dividend is in 0.074 per share they are providing. And for the stock price of respective company will be 1.070. This is what the share price which is trading under the market. And for the next company will be on Mair Group. Mair Group, everybody knows that is last year 2024. They listed to direct listing. They not even come through IPO. Straight away they listed, and we already posted for the video. It's around for more than 200%. There should be an up, right? So this company announced for the dividend that is 0.061 per share. Ex dividend date will be May 9th. So the last date you need to get for a dividend, if you want to get for dividend, in a sense, you need to purchase this respective stock on May 8 for getting dividend per share of 0.06, and currently it's trading under the market price of 1.67. So these are the 6 companies announced for the dividend for under the point of view for ADX. So if you're looking for a dividend stock for ADX market, in a sense, this will be the good option to you. Okay, so you have to go through for the financial, these all companies, then you can start to invest for respective stock and in order to get for the dividend. I think this information will be very helpful to you. If it is helpful, in a sense, you can like as well as you can comment and share to your friends, those who are looking for dividend stock in UAE stock market, both Dubai as well as for Abu Dhabi. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.